Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Golden Mirage Set in Heartopia game latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you're going to go to this menu, the Gilded Acorn exhibition, and you will see new Golden Mirage here. And there are two types guys that you can choose. Oops, not just two but three. This one, the Seir, Traveler, and Oasis. And you need to have exhibition pass to get the items. If you want to get the exhibition pass for free, you can try to complete the event challenge. Okay, once you have the exhibition pass, you can start to draw and you will be able to unlock one of the set. I've already got one item guys. Let me show you. I'm going to select dress up. Wait. Okay, and I got this cloth, this one, the skirt. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the Golden Mirage in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.